Expo Day is for us the biggest event in the year. It brings together our partners, our startups, our entire ecosystem, and we basically celebrate the success stories of the just recently finished batch program.
The insurance industry by tradition has kind of national borders, and there's huge value in understanding what happens in other countries and getting the new ideas and innovations from there.
The partnership with Plug and Play gives us access to latest technologies and new business models applicable to insurance business.
You get a good overview in a short period of time about what the latest developments are.
We met a lot of people which are offering their help while we enter the market.
Innovation is the basis of everything. If you don't innovate, you stop, and if you stop, you fall over.